Hello, Pat. Just want to give you a heads up what we're doing here. Have a request to have us take a stab at 3D printing some medical respirators. So I've gone through the CAD file, got them turned into STL files, downloaded them into our slicer, and here are the snap-in filter holders that we are printing on one of the machines that we made this year. Actually we're right in the middle of still making some modifications to the machine. It's a work in progress, but that's okay. This will be a good test run for this machine. If this prints these out successfully, we'll make it earn its keep. So and then over here we have the first prototype of the medical respirator itself. So hopefully, if this prototype comes out well, we're going to work on streamlining the process, and we'll print off a bunch of these, put them in the hands of our local medical professionals, and hopefully it will be a blessing to them. Just wanted to keep you up to date. I know you like to keep your finger on the pulse of CTE innovation, and so our engineering department is throwing our hat in the ring and want to represent our school well. So hope this email finds you well. Bye.